let's go ahead and add some styling to these form validation errors that we have. So if I click out of this text field, you can see that we have first name required. So let's actually improve the styling of this. So open up VS Code and let's go ahead and import the actual tag component inside of ant-d. And right here, what we want to do is actually, so you see right here where we actually print out the error. So let's go ahead and cut this very first one. So errors.firstName. And let's simply encapsulate that within a tag. So simply say tag and then close that. And then inside, pass the actual error. Just like that. And let's actually test this out. So I can't really put this in a new line because, you know, the text is too big. But if I now grab this, so let's actually grab the actual tag. And then first, let's actually test that it works. So save this and then go to Chrome, new student, click on the very first text field, come out, and you can see that we have a tag. Let's actually change the color of it. So let's simply say style. So style. And this will be an object, right? So let's actually define up above. So let's go ahead and simply say const and then tag style equals to, and then simply say background color. And this will be equal to, go ahead and simply say hashtag and then F and then 50. So save that. Oh, actually end that with semicolon. And then let's go ahead and scroll down. And right here, simply say tag and then style. Save that. Let's actually see if it works. So add new student. And the color did not change. So that should be background color. So, oh, actually, it didn't change because of this. So we already have an object and we are passing like 3 objects. So remove that, save, and then add new student. Click out and you can see that now works. Awesome. So let's actually change the color. So go ahead and simply say color. And this should be white. And let's also add margin bottom. So we can actually grab this margin bottom by simply saying ... and then margin bottom. Save that. Go back. Or actually, margin bottom is not defined. It should be input. Input margin bottom. Save that. And let's test it out. Click on there. Come out. And there we go. So that's looking really beautiful. Let's actually do the same for the rest of the fields. So scroll down. And what we want is simply this guy. So let's put this on a new line. So you see exactly what we're doing. So let's grab this tag and then new line there, paste that, and then remove this. And then this should be last name. Let's do the same for email. There we go. Indent that. Change that to email. And let's do the same for gender. And there we go. Paste that, and this should be gender. Save this. Let's go ahead and test it out. So if I add new student, and then you can see that now it's working. That should work as well. Email, so email required. Let's actually change this to LO, come out, and you can see that's working too. So this should actually be email required. So let's actually change that. So this is the actual error. So if I find it, so it should be, where is it? So inside of the actual validate, right? So that should be email and then required. And there we go. So let me show you one more time. So if I come out, come out and add something gibberish, and there we go. So this form is looking quite nice. Next, let's go ahead and allow the form to capture all the values that we have and then submit that to the server.